International trade moves billions of dollars every single day. Products are constantly bought, sold, and shipped across borders. But the starting next about it requires strategy, research, and smart market selection. No exporter can sell products in every country in the world. Even the largest international companies focus only on specific markets. Limited resources, marketing budgets, and experience make it necessary for exporters to choose their markets carefully. The first and most important step in starting an export business is deciding what product you want to trade. Once your product is selected, the next step is identifying the international markets where your product has demand. Successful exporters always begin with research. Understanding buyers, suppliers, and demand patterns in international markets is essential. Custom shipment data and trade statistics can provide valuable insights into global demand. Before exporting products, businesses must complete the necessary registrations and comply with international trade regulations. Exporting also requires proper documentation, shipping procedures, and knowledge of import and export laws. Export businesses require experienced professionals who understand shipping, logistics, documentation, claims, and international trade regulations.
Skilled staff ensures smooth operations between the exporting and import countries.
It looks optimal. Before entering global markets, exporters must plan carefully. Businesses should analyze cost advantages, market entry strategies, and potential risks. A clear strategy helps exporters compete effectively in international markets. In business, one person's problem can become another person's opportunity. Entrepreneurs who identify market gaps and offer solutions often succeed in global trade. Many people start businesses only to earn money, but a successful business should also match the lifestyle you want to live. Your business should support your vision, goals, and long-term aspirations. Every day, millions of products move across borders. Countries import goods they cannot produce efficiently and export products they can manufacture at lower costs. This global exchange creates endless opportunities for exporters. Starting an export business requires research, planning, and the right strategy. By selecting the right product, identifying profitable markets, ending the global trade industry, and grow a successful export business.